Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 keyboard disappeared issue. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your mobile. So to restart, click on restart, and after restarting, if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on keyboard list and default. Now here click on default keyboard and set Samsung keyboard as your default keyboard. Now after that, go back to settings and in settings open apps. Now in apps, click on this filter icon and turn on show system apps, and after that scroll down and here click on Samsung keyboard. Now go to the storage of Samsung keyboard and here after opening the storage, clear the app data of Samsung keyboard. Now click on delete to confirm.